In this tutorial I will show you how to make transparent effect in Photoshop. Duplicate your image. Go to Select menu and choose Subject. Press Ctrl J to duplicate. Right-click on thumbnail of the layer and choose Select Pixels. Choose Bottom Layer. Go to Select menu. Modify. Expand. I will expand by 16 pixels and click OK. Go to Edit menu. Fill. Choose Content Aware. Click OK. Press Ctrl D to remove selection. Duplicate this layer. Go to Image menu. Adjustments. Choose Desaturate. Go to Filter menu. Other. High Pass. Follow the process. Go to Image menu. Adjustments. Choose Levels. Follow the steps. Change Blend Mode to Screen. Select Bottom Layer. Add Layer Mask. Choose Brush. And follow the process. Hold Alt and drag Layer Mask to duplicate. Select Layer Mask. Then press Ctrl I to invert the mask. That's it. Don't forget to like the video.